shit, you know what I mean? What's bloody going on? I'm Yarny, this is Enjoy the Ride 3. That's right, I can't say 3 real good, so we'll say Enjoy the Ride 2+1. We're still on the Gold Coast because we've got unreal riding here in the hills and we want to document that before we go anywhere else. We're currently going to ride up Gold Coast Springbrook Road and then turn onto Pine Creek Road. There's a lot of good riding through the hills here, a lot of tight turns on a cliff face, and then it sort of opens up. Once we get on Pine Creek Road, it opens up and goes through the hills, a bit of a canopy and whatnot. So we're going to cruise through there, and so there's two different types of riding there. Like, you got nice tight windy stuff. There's going to be a lot of bikes on the road today because it's a Saturday, and the sun's out. So basically gonna cruise through that, and then we'll open up onto some fast sort of flowing stuff, and we'll see where we go from there. But until then, that's what we're doing. So I did say there was a bit of wildlife out and about on the roads to keep a look at, but I wasn't expecting a couple of bloody roosters. So have a go at these things. Get out of here, you bastard! Where are you going? Where are you bloody going? You don't see that every day. Well, you might if you live on a farm, but... We're still on the bloody Gold Coast because we've got shitloads of riding to do and shitloads of loops up here in the hills. Maybe you're on the other side of the world and you're interested in coming to Australia, but you just don't know what we have to offer, so I'm going to cut you off a slice. This is Australia. We got gum trees and shit. My bike's dirty. We're in the open part of the road now where we can bloody stretch the legs. It's warm. We're doing it. She definitely needs a wash. That ain't gonna stop us. Oh, look at that. Filthy. There's not just bloody motorcyclists out here, there's these crazy bastards doing 100 mile an hour with tyres this thick. Bloody crazy, they come undone, they're going to know about it. Alright, so we just pulled over to check some footage. I've pulled over in a prick of a spot. The homeboys are bloody, I'm fucking up their flow, so we're going to get going and shoot some more shit. if you got the perfect haircut like me, clean shaved, always have a Ride Till Dead hat on you, or Ride Till Dead anything, to be honest. It's a necessity. You need it. Remember, these roads are fun and all, but you're dealing with bumps, you're dealing with sticks on the road. There was a bloody oil patch there at one point. Like, you gotta be wary of all these things. You can't just go out here like a scalded cat and just hook in, you know. You gotta bloody save that for the racetrack. Out here, just bloody enjoy it, bloody. You're with your mates, you're by yourself, whatever. You need to go home to your family, wife and kids. Even if you're bloody going home just to hang out by yourself, you want to get there, don't you? You can't be bloody carrying on out here. What do you reckon? Get the drone out, or bloody we'll run her across here. We got a sick backdrop. Ready? Yeah. I'm Yarnzy, this is Enjoy the Ride 3. I'm hungry, I'm going to get something to eat. Thanks for watching. Hopefully see you on the next one. Keep it real.